Little tips and tricks for y'all folks on the RV Arnie Lee channel. Yeah, so you'll see how the flags are blowing this way. Y'all witness how the flags are coming this way. Yeah. So what you always want to do with the motorhome, you always want to take the front of your motorhome, face it toward the wind. Have that wind just like this. So the wind is hitting the front of the motorhome and actually cutting around everything aerodynamically. So when you're sitting in a motorhome and you got strong winds coming up, look at where the wind's coming from, position your motorhome facing the winds. You're not going to get that rocking motion like these, like literally. You're not going to get that if you're facing the wind. Plus, it actually helps you if you're sitting at an idle with your temperature gauge too, because the wind is going right through the front of the motor and helping keep it cool at an idle. These 460s, they like to run hot. You know, any motorhome will run hot. Even the V10, I'm sure, can run hot, but I'm not too sure 100% on that. If somebody's got a V10 motorhome, drop down below, let me know if I'm right. The V10, if it runs hotter. The 460 I know is a hot burning motor. Anyway, that's neither here nor there, but tips and tricks for you. Always face your motorhome toward the oncoming wind. That way you're not going to get so much rocking motion going on.